before we took the break, I was just about to ask you about the fight itself. What do you remember? What did you remember observing about the fight when you were recording it?
It was very chaotic, but there was a little skirmish in the midst of everything. It was really in the center of everything.
And based on you recording and what you recall about the fight, can you tell us, based on your recollection, taking us through the fight, what you remember?
I do not remember too much because once I came out from the back of the house and I went towards the front, there was already a big crowd and the fight was in the middle of the crowd, and I just started recording. It was all really a blur.
And when you were recording, do you recall hearing anything going on during the fight?
Yes, I recall hearing screams to get out of here and just leave.
Do you recall whether or not Charlie Connery said anything during the fight?
Yes, he yelled, "He has a knife, he has a knife."
And when you heard him yell, "He's got a knife, he's got a knife," what, if anything, did you do next?
I do not recall exactly. He said it a few times, therefore it kind of registered in my head.
And when it registered in your head, were you still recording the video?
That is right when the video stopped.
I'm going to show you State's Exhibit 60. We're going to play the original video. I'm going to show you some stills from the video. So I'm showing you State's Exhibit 61. This individual right here to the left, with what appears to be pink shorts and white shirt, do you know who that is with the phone in his hand?
Yes, that's Ricky Fiola.
That's Rico Fiola, Ricky?
Yes.
State 62. Do you know who this individual is?
Yes, that is one of the individuals that was originally in the car and in the fight.
And do you know who that individual is?
Yes, that's Raul Valle.
Defendant?
Yes.
State 63. This individual here with the green shirt and black and black shorts with white trim. Do you know who that is?
Yes, that's Ryan Hines.
And this individual here with the white shirt and black shorts in front of Ryan Hines, who's that?
That is Sal Perry.
And this individual with their shirt off with the jeans on, do you know who that is?
Yes, that's Alex Bernstein.
And this individual here with the black shirt, jeans on, and the red hat, do you know who that is?
Yes, that is Michael Sampieri.
And this individual on their knees with their shirt pulled up, do you know who that is?
Yes, that is one of the individuals that was originally in the car.
And do you know the name of that individual?
Yes, Tyler De Silva.
And do you know if there's anybody in front of him on the ground?
I learned after the fact that it was Tyler Rich.
Showing you state 64. Direct your attention to this individual here in the white shirt. Do you know who this is on the right side of 64?
Yes, Charlie Connery.
And again, 65. Is that the same individual?
Yes, it is.
State 66. Do you know who this individual is with the white shirt and it appears to be tan shorts on?
Yes, that's Jacob Villalobos.
And this person here with the camouflage shorts with no shirt on with the shirt hanging out the back, do you know who that is?
Yes, Matthew Lakovich.
And this individual here with the navy blue shirt and white shorts, do you know who that is?
Yes, Jimmy McGrath.
State 67. Again, this individual with the white shirt hanging out the back of his pants with the camouflage, that's...
Matthew Lakovich.
And this individual here with the tan shorts with the white shirt appears to be pushing on Tyler De Silva. Do you know who that is?
Yes, Jacob Villalobos.
And again, this person here on the right side of the photograph with the navy blue shirt on and the white shorts, who would that be?
Jimmy McGrath.
State 68. The individual here with the shirt pulled up with the jeans on. Can you tell us who that is?
Tyler De Silva.
And is this frame after Jacob Villalobos seen pushing him out into the street?
Yes, sir.
And the person passing him near the curb, who would that be?
That is the defendant.
And finally, state 69. Do you know who this individual is in the street with the jeans on and the jersey?
Yes, Tyler De Silva.
And this individual here with the navy blue shirt on and the white shorts, do you know who that is?
Jimmy McGrath.
Now, when you stopped filming, withdrawn. After the fight ended, what did you observe?
After the fight ended, I observed a chaotic scene where Jimmy was laying on the ground and the dark-colored Honda Pilot sped away.
What about Jimmy did you observe when you saw him on the ground?
He was just laying in the grass with a bunch of people around him.
And did you recall whether or not he had his shirt on at that moment?
I do not recall.
And did you notice anything else about any of your other friends after the fight was over?
At that moment, I did not.
What happened after the fight ended? What did you do next?
When Jimmy was laying on the ground, he appeared to have wounds, and everyone was yelling to go get towels. So then I made my way back through the opening in the backyard and down the cellar doors to go look for towels to assist.
And when you went to go look for towels, what, if anything, did you encounter in the basement?
In the basement, I encountered Ryan Hines slouched up against the wall with his arm across him, seeming to be heavy breathing.
And did you assist Ryan Hines?
Yes, I asked why he was down there, and he was just out of breath, and then I lifted his arm up and saw a wound on his rib cage.
And what side of his do you recall what side?
I do not recall exactly.
And when you witnessed the wound that Ryan Hines had, what if anything, did you do with regards to Ryan?
I told him that he had to go outside to an ambulance right away, and I proceeded to get his mom's phone number.
And did you call his mother?
Yes.
And after you called his mother, did you help him outside, or did you help him outside first and then call his mother?
I helped him to the ambulance, and then I called his mother immediately after.
And After that happened, do you recall whether or not you spoke to police officers?
Yes.
Where did you speak to the police officers?
In the driveway?
Okay. And at some point in time, did you speak to police officers again after that night?
Yes, the following day.
And when you spoke to police officers, did you provide the police officers with the video that we just saw?
Yes, I did.
And on May 14th of 2022, when you were coming out of the Bilko door and you were encountering the fight, did you have any weapons on you?
No, I did not.
Do you recall prior to the fight whether or not any of your friends had any weapons on them?
No, they did not.
And do you recall witnessing anybody during the fight from your friends with any weapons on them?
No, I did not.
Did you witness anybody else with any weapons on them that night?
No.
Did you see anybody actually get stabbed?
No, I did not.
To the best of your recollection, what you told us here today is what you remember?
Yes.
You said you had a couple beers at your brother's house and that was it?
Yes.
Were you intoxicated to the point where you couldn't recall everything that you just testified to today?
No, I was not.
If I may have a moment, Your Honor. All right, no further questions at this time.